Hi and welcome. I'm trying to learn space science. Today, what is the asteroid belt? And after we've done it, you're going to do Neckstretching. And if you participate in the Neckstretching, this is the answer. What is the asteroid belt? The asteroid belt is a region of space between Mars and Jupiter. We had it already. That is around the place. No, we don't know it. It's somewhere. It is between Mars and Jupiter. So there's the Sun, and then there's Venus. There's Mercury and Venus. Mercury, Venus, and Earth. There are the humans. And then there is Mars, and then Jupiter. And between Mars and Jupiter, there's the asteroid belt. And that is a region in space between Mars and Jupiter. It is full of orbiting rubble, left over from when the solar system was forming. Okay, there's lots of rubble, lots of asteroids, lots of rocks. And they are from the time when the solar system, with the Sun and the Earth, was forming a few billion years ago. Sometimes one of these space rocks or asteroids is nudged out of the belt and goes zooming towards the Sun. Okay. Now there are all these rocks in this asteroid belt and they're just traveling peacefully around the Sun. But sometimes one of them is nudged out. I don't know the word. They are nudged out and they are now getting towards the Sun. A small lump of rock that's moving through space but is smaller than an asteroid is known as a meteorite. Okay. Now what was the first thing? So the first thing, there is the asteroid between Mars and Jupiter. And there are lots of rocks, lots of bigger and smaller rocks. And they are there from the time when the solar system was forming. Sometimes one of them is nudged out and goes towards the Sun. And a small lump of rock that's moving through space, but is smaller than an asteroid, is known as a meteorite. Is that a distinction? The one is smaller? I thought it would be much more complex. We are having that at the next slide. There will be 4 differences and it is a little bit more complex. Okay, a little sneak peek. There are asteroids, there are meteorites, meteors, and meteorites. Okay, there are meteorites, they are smaller. Let's take that at the beginning. Okay, that's basically what the asteroid belt. Where's the asteroid belt? It's between Mars and Jupiter. So here's the Sun, then there is Mercury, Venus, and then Earth, and then Mars and Jupiter. And between Mars and Jupiter, there are some thousand, billions, millions, whatever, rocks, bigger and smaller ones. And they're flying there around the Sun, just like the Earth travels around the Sun. And from time to time, one of them is nudged out and travels toward the Sun. And in the next video, we're going to go over into the differences. But first, we will probably have what happens if the meteorite collides with Earth. That means if you are here for space science, you can go directly to the next video. Then we will probably have meteors, what happens if they collide with Earth. We will do now the Neckstretching. If you're actually here for the Neckstretching, you can do it, but that is at the honest, or you just go on to the space science, the next part with the meteorites. Now, if you participate in the Neckstretching, that is at the honest. Having the legs standing, let's have them a bit more shoulders wide apart, and we're breathing in, lifting the arms up, and we're reaching high with the fingertips. Breathe in, reach high, and breathe out, again down. And let's try it this time with the cow feet. Breathe again in, reach with the fingertips to the sides, high up, and reach in front. Breathe in, higher, and out and down again. And we're doing I wanted to do another exercise, and let's do the bodies up. We're breathing in, lifting the arms up. And we're breathing out, we're opening the arms to the side. Breathing in, the arms up. And out, open the arms to the other side. Breathing in, the arms up. And out, the arms down. Now we're having the legs standing on the shoulder with wide bar. And we're breathing in, we're tall out. And out, we're slowly turning the head to one side. And we're breathing again in. And out, we're bringing the chin down to the clavicle. Breathe again in, lift the gaze. And out, turn the head slowly over to the other side. Breathe again in. And out, bring the chin down to the clavicle. Breathe again in. Lift the gaze back into the middle and to the next exercise over, directly over to the other side. Breathe in. Breathe half out. And now make the turn out to the other side, we're looking down and again up. Breathe in. Breathe half out. And go slowly back to the other side. And back into the middle. And doing the clap in the morning, the feet are standing together, the breathing in, lifting the arms up. And breathe out, draw the arms down, draw the shoulder blades together, and out the chest, breathe again in, up. And out, draw again the shoulder blades together, look up. Again in. We're doing the Rita movement, hands together and lean back. Again in and up. And out, lean again back. Breathe again in and up. And out, we're leaning over to one side. Breathe again in into the middle. And out over to the other side. The third movement. Again into the middle. And we're doing the Marco. Again, first the grip in the morning, draw the shoulder blades together. Now in reach high over, cross the arms into 20 fingers. And out, reach in front, hold on the back. Again in. And out, draw again the shoulder blades together over the chest. Breathe in, over, cross the arms into 20 fingers, reach high. And out, reach in front, hold on the back. Again in and out again. Open chest, drop the shoulder blades together. In and down. And now the legs a bit more and shoulders wide apart. We're intertwining the hands behind the back. We're breathing in. And out with slowly with a strong core leaning in front. If the exercise is too much, then don't do it. Going down still with round core, bring the arms up. Make a round back, but still a strong core. Bring the arms up, roll the shoulder blades back, arms up. Rugby goal post. And now breathe in, come up with the crown of the head first, a strong core. And up again. Next exercise, the stretch of Venus. The hands, the legs around shoulder wide apart. Intertwine again with the fingers behind the back, bring them over to one side, to one arm, breathe in. And out, look over to one side, to the side where the hands are. And bring the chin down to the clavicle. Breathe again in. And out, pull the shoulder down and the arm in. Breathe again in, lift the gaze. And out to the other side, change also the arms. Tall arm out to the other side. Chin down to the clavicle, breathe out. Breathe again in. And out, draw the shoulder down and the arms in. Breathe again, lift the gaze. And back to the middle. We are doing with a sky hugger. Breathing in, lifting the arms up. And breathe out, long arms back, up the chest to the sky. Again, in the arms up. And out again, back up the chest to the sky. Again, in up. And out and down. We're doing 3 backward shoulder circles. And we're ending with the eagle's wings. Breathe in, lift the arms up. And breathe out the arms again down. Breathe in, lift the arms up. Bring the hands to touch and lower the hands down. That was the next stretching. Thank you very much. And next time.